Can you guess where I am? It's not the Goodwill. Guess again. I actually was not at the Goodwill. I was at one of my favorite local thrift stores. I can't tell you where, because I know it's a bunch of resellers that live here. But just want to show you a couple things I picked up. This is a BW Boston. It's Boston Warehouse salt and pepper set. It's the cats. They are so cute. I paid $2.98 for this. I saw this cup. It's called a Pusheen cat mug. Never heard of it. Never seen it. But I saw one on eBay, and it sold for $24. So I was like, it was 45 cents. I was like, okay. Then I saw these 3 plates. $0.75 each. I like that. Drunkhoven, Germany. That's funny. I thought they were neat. Interesting. So other than what's on the front, well, what's that say? Grasslands Road. I'm going to have to look them up. I haven't looked them up yet to comp them. But, I mean, this is actually part of the plate. When I first saw them, I said, oh, I wonder what that tag is. But that's not a tag. Part of the plate. So, 75 cents each. I picked them up. And then I saw this, it's an NFL 49ers ornament. You know, Christmas sells year round. It really does. So for $1.98, I picked that up. And then, because I actually sold an elephant plush last night in my second store. And I thought about it when I saw this one. I was like, okay, it's clean. You know, it doesn't smell smoky or anything. Nice size, and it was 99 cents. So I went ahead and I picked it up. So that's all I ended up with from my favorite thrift store that's in my area, not the Goodwill. Just a quick video to show you what I got today. I was supposed to go to a yard sale today. I know Dad's Vintage Garage, John, he went there. If you all aren't following Dad's Vintage Garage, you should follow him. It's really great. But I know he went. I didn't make it over there. But, so I tried to compensate just a little bit. I do have one other thing I wanted to show you. Is this Magnavox DVD 4-head VCR combo thingy. I came over to my storage the other day, and it was a gentleman that was outside. He had some game systems for sale, but he was waiting on somebody to come get those. Some of the NES 64 and a lot of the old games that are valuable, but they were spoken for. But I saw this VCR sitting, and I said, how much you want for that VCR? And he said, oh, $5 or $10. So I went to my car, and I brought back a $5, and I handed it to him. And he took it. He says it works. Didn't have a remote to it, but looks like it's in excellent condition. I saw some online that are selling for like $55. I paid $5, so not a bad score. So anywho, just wanted to show you a couple things I got. It's all the time I have for thrifting today. because I got to do some other things. But I'll check back in soon. Be sure to comment if you enjoy my content. Like, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell so you'll get that notification every time I post, okay? All right, this is Cheryl Knowles saying you all have a great day on purpose. On purpose. Cheryl out.